If you could turn the retirement time machine back to the beginning of 2008, knowing what you know now, what would you do different in regards to your company's 401k plan? Did your broker offer guidance and education to employees during the credit crisis that destroyed many employees' retirement? Do you offer professional management of your 401k plan so employees do not have to worry about managing with emotion instead of the facts? Does the roller coaster ride of the market impact your employees' decision-making ability to manage their portfolio? Think about your typical day. When the day is over, how much time do you have to look at current market conditions and conduct the research to put your portfolio in the best possible position for success? Employees are being asked to make important decisions for one of their most important assets, which is their retirement savings account. The burden of making these important decisions falls on their shoulders and the plan's trustee. But here is the good news. Claris Financial Group works with companies to deliver a comprehensive retirement program to help both the business owners and employees reach their retirement goals. We offer a unique and flexible turnkey platform structured to help maximize owner contributions and benefits, reduce fiduciary liability, professionally manage accounts, and education offered on several different platforms to help educate your employees on basic to advanced financial topics while at the same time keeping your administrative costs low. Most retirement plans offer a large menu of investment choices that lack diversification to various asset classes. Many employees do not know which investments to buy in their 401k plan, and most importantly, when to change their allocations based on the current market and financial conditions. With Claris Financial Group, we do the work. There is no need for the employees to become market experts. We monitor and manage 5 different model portfolios, which are based on the risk tolerance and objectives of your employees. We have found that for most employees, their company 401k plan will have failed them due to non-diversified investment choices, high fees, and lack of education in managing their retirement. Your employees deserve a secure financial future. We help your employees accomplish this through professionally managed accounts by following a disciplined investment process for you and each employee. We take the difficult and emotional choices out of the hands of your employees of which investments to buy and sell and when to buy and sell. What makes Claris Financial Group different from your current plan provider? First, we are not brokers. We are bound to higher fiduciary standards in helping you manage your plan by always acting in the best interest of you, our client. It is not to sell you the plan that will pay us the most and increase the cost to your employees. It is just the opposite. We are going to provide you a plan that may decrease the expenses you are currently paying, provide free education to your employees on a consistent basis, both in person and through a video platform that your employees can access at their leisure, and provide professionally managed accounts. Don't forget about the plan trustee's fiduciary liability. Now more than ever, by offering an employee retirement program, the plan trustee faces serious fiduciary liability issues. We work closely with the plan trustee to review the investment policy statement and make sure they are following ERISA regulations, while also keeping them up to date on any important regulations and how they may impact the plan trustee's fiduciary responsibility. According to StandardandPoor's.com, March 10, 2000 through October 9, 2002, the Dow Jones Industrial Average lost 37%. The Nasdaq lost 79%, and S&P 500 lost 49%. The average investor lost 47.4%. October 9, 2007 through March 9, 2009, the Dow Jones Industrial Average lost 57%, the Nasdaq lost 52%, and the S&P 500 lost 57%. The average investor lost 56.78%. On October 3, 2011, the Dow Jones Industrial Average briefly touched bear market territory by declining 20% from the April highs. How much longer can you wait until the next bear market makes it even more difficult, if not impossible, for employees to comfortably retire with their savings from their 401k plan? According to an article, 401k savers who get advice get higher returns on MarketWatch.com. Independent research has proven that plans receiving individual advice have higher investment outcomes and increases employee financial literacy. Now is the time to conduct an independent analysis of your current plan and provide education classes to your employees. Call Claris Financial Group at 770-552-5968 and talk to either Matthew Goad or Sean McGuire to discuss your current financial plan in more detail. Or click on the link below to receive more information as to various education classes we offer and how to receive a free comparative plan analysis.